Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by defining scope and naming stakeholders so everyone knows whose behavior the rules will shape. Once done, gather existing policies and legal must-haves to avoid conflicts. This saves rework. Make sure to set measurable objectives so you can tell if rules succeed. Assign an owner and a small cross-functional team to draft the first version. This speeds consensus. You'll move faster if you document constraints, timelines, and non-negotiables before writing any articles. Now you draft the rules with a focus on structure and clarity so users can follow them. Begin with purpose and scope, then list responsibilities and step-by-step procedures. This helps readers find what matters. Use short sentences and active voice to reduce disputes and add examples where enforcement could be unclear. Once you finish a draft, run a legal and HR check and circulate to stakeholders for red lines, making sure to log decisions and preserve version control for auditability. Finish by securing formal approvals and setting an effective date so the policy has force. Publish in a central repository and launch a targeted communication and training plan so people know what changes. Implement compliance tracking and reporting to monitor adoption and assign owners for enforcement and periodic review. If resistance or misinterpretation occurs, use your escalation and appeal process. If patterns repeat, reconvene the team to revise the rule rather than patching around problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.